ball possession. Right. Oh, man! Gambling for the ball. Nakuha ng 5 pa. 65 Binoma pa. All the way to the hoop. Connects 2 points. First blood. One. Eustacio. Shot lock down to 14. Penetrate. And goes a foul. Love basket. Didiscarte. On top of the key. Connects 3 points. Jersey number 5. Atake 5. Crossover move. Pull up. Off the glass. Connects 2 points. Shot lock down to 12. Nakita on the left corner. Aim for 3. Connects 3 points. Rebound ng uno. Sa athlete yan. Atake Sagay. Hindi nakatalikod yun. Atake 20. Drop pass. Nice pass. Off the glass. Connects 2. Stop and pop. Short. Nakakuha pa rin niya ng block. Inward pass sa 7. Layup. Basket. Off the glass. Sagay. On the left wing. Inward pass. Ang 82. Binomba pa. Basket. 13-10. 3-point lead. Block. Dying second. Shot block off. In this first period. Sa akin, no basket. A putback ng 28. And in the first period, alternating arrow. Jersey number 3 receiving the ball para sa block. Setting up the play. Pass to Jot. Pull up. No basket. Offensive rebound follow-up shot. 21. Connects 2 points. Steal. And 18. Pushing through ang 21. Connects 2 points bouncing. Shot lock 14. Pass and shoot. Basket ng 21. Saga. Switch box sa 28. Shot lock down to 10. On the right wing. Connects 3 points. 2-point lead wide. Pass break kagad sa 20 yan. 5. Perimeter. Short. 8-2. Atake sa baseline. Basket. Another deadlock. Low post pass. Naku po, naharas. Atake sa baseline. Shot lock winding down. Binigay sa baseline. No basket. Another attempt. Connects 2 points. A putback ng uno. Sa 28. Drop pa sa uno. Layup. Finger roll. Basket. Atake 28. On the right wing. Aim for 3. Connects 3 points. Layup, no basket, and of the first shot. Alternating arrow, White. Atake ang block. Rebound para sa White. Relosa, Justin Wade, Binomba pa. Basket. Atake Eustacio. Perimeter, of the ring. Defensive rebound, Becheres. Dinalik ulit. Side. Connects 2 points. Crossover move Eustacio. Naipit. Drop pass lang yan. And connects 2 points. Down by 4 points. Naging single digit na ang lamang ng White. Atake 88. Connects 2 points. Last point. Pass to Relosa. Jersey number 12. Back to Relosa. Penetrate. Engaging. Teardrop. Connects 2 points. Wala. 1 out of 2. Back count ng White. Atake si Rivera. Asa lang yun. Layup. Off the glass. Connect 2 points. Point lead White. On the right wing. Aim for 3. Off the ring. Atake ulit. Ang White. Rivera. Shot lock down to 10. Penetrate. Engaging. Fakes and 2. Drop pass. Nice pass. Under the goal. Back door. Connect 2 points. Atake ngayon ng block. Inward pass sa net. Sagay sidestep. Fakes and pop. Connect 2 points. Atake 65. Filtrate and throws the foul. Basket count. Black orchestrating the play, setting up the play for Black. On the right wing. Corner side, Black. Pinapit ang bola. Almost a steal. Na-retrieve pa yun. Nasa sa 7. On the side. Connects 2 points. Atake ngayon. On top of the key. Of the ring. Offensive rebound, Estacio. Follow up shot, a football. Chip. Aim for 3. Connects 3 points. Pass. Atake Estacio. Coast to coast. Connects 2 points. Penetrate. Shot. Offensive rebound. Kick out. Usagay. Penetrate. Layup. Connects 2 points. Selected. Yannick Estacio. Penetrate. A pick and roll. Layup. No basket. Putback ng uno. Time out. Basket. One out to Pasa na yan kay Rivera. Aim for 3. Shoot. And of the ball game.